Well, I did think of something, but it still needs some development, so no judgment, please. Anyway, what if we cover an area with tinfoil so that the sun gets reflected off the earth?
That's a brilliant idea.
That is so stupid. We'd have to cover like half the earth to get any kind of result. And nobody would even be able to walk there properly.
Ooh, yeah, right. Wouldn't it be like illegal to put tinfoil in places that we don't own?
We could do it in school.
There would be zero environmental impact.
But we don't actually have to make it happen. We could just give him the idea, you know?
Then what's the point?
To win the challenge?
Well, we're not winning with these ideas.
Fine. Do you have another one? Sitka, your father's a pilot, right?
Yeah, what would that have to do with it?
Hear me out. What if we have water coming out of his airplanes so that the earth is less dry?
Yeah, but how would that work?
I can't with these ideas. How would that even help the planet?
If you don't like them, then propose something yourself.
Well, why don't we move the earth further away from the sun?
How would we do that?
I'm joking. Obviously, we can't move the earth further.
Actually, Rosseret, I think you might be onto something.
That's impossible.
No, it's possible. It's definitely possible.
How?
But we are going to need a lot of people. Did you double check all the details?
Yeah.
Wasn't it at 4 p.m. before?
What? No, it was definitely AM. I had to do the calculations, remember?
Okay.
Not that it would actually work anyway.
Okay. Take the camera. Sitka, are you ready to shoot?
Yes. Okay, have it.
Hi everyone. We have a life-changing project. It might sound crazy, but please listen up.
Listen up.
At 4 a.m. Central Eastern Time, everyone from the continents Europe, Africa, and West Asia has to jump at the exact same time so that we can try to move the world further away from the Earth, so that we can try to end climate change and save the world.
Save the world!
So please do the jump.
Everyone's gonna jump to the side of the world, and like it's gonna solve climate change. So like, do the jump, I guess.
But recently, everyone seems to have been
he's
talking
late.
about
He's
something
late. How
called
do you
the
like?
jump,
It
and
said
my
that
wife
she's like
has been
doing this
talking
thing,
about
like
it
the jump. I don't
non-stop.
know if you've heard of it. It's like kind
So
of
I've been
it's
married to
kind
my
of
wife for 3 years
It's
now.
not really.
We've
Everyone's
not
gonna jump
agreed
to the
on
side of
very
the world,
conflicting beliefs.
and like it's gonna solve climate change. So do the jump. Everyone's gonna jump to the side
59,
of the
fix
world.
zero.
He's
Boom!
He's late.
There we
How do
go. Fix climate change.
Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, jump!
Wait. Did it actually work?
I can't believe it.
Oh no.
There's earthquakes all around the world.
I didn't think it would be this extreme.
Guys, this is bad.
We're heading in the wrong direction.
What do you mean we're heading in the wrong direction?
We're heading towards the sun.
What did you do?
I didn't know it was actually gonna work.
Monster, what did you do? You said the time was okay. You did the calculations.
I changed it. I changed the time.